Hey crew, welcome back to the channel. Artisan Pirate here, and in today's fun video, if you cannot tell by all of the beautiful display cases packed with trains behind me, we are once again up at the Mebane Train Display in Mebane, North Carolina for our annual 4th of July opening. You can see our tree is decked out in red, white, and blue patriotic colors. Today is the 4th of July, crew, and it is also the very special celebration of America's 250th birthday. We open every year up here annually for the 4th of July. The last time we were here was back in March for our annual train show, but I wanted to bring the cameras along today and just document us running some beautifully themed patriotic trains for the 4th of July. Now crew, if you wanted to know how we get on the inside of the display, this is the back side, and you can see the trains do traverse in the looping motion to go around and around. But what you have to do, and they've got some foam rubber down here for people to crawl on. But then here we go with a full panoramic view of the entire Mebane train display. And when you are looking that way, you can see the display cases and the crowds coming in the door. And as I said back in March, crew, this is a seasonal tree, and we decorate it for all of the major holidays. Now through about August, we'll leave up the red, white, and blue stuff for 4th of July and America's 250th. The trains have not been turned on, but we have an old school standard gauge train that traverses the base, and then we have this train here that will spiral up the tree. It'll circle around the top and then come back down and then start back up again. But the tree is always a great photo opportunity and always a showstopper for people who have never seen it. Now crew, as the day progresses, of course, the Mebane Train Display is in that door, but they are also having, for the occasion, the parking lot is closed off, and if you can hear it in the background, they are playing some Star Spangled Banner themed music on what looks like a full orchestra. So, great activities happening in Mebane, North Carolina on the 4th of July. So crew, right now at this time, it's not even 10 o'clock and it is hot and sweltering. So as always, remember to stay hydrated if you come out to a summer event. But I really love seeing a community come together and just go above and beyond to celebrate momentous occasions like the 250th birthday of the good old US of A. But right now, let's go back into the Mebane Train Display and hopefully catch the nighttime mode of the trains running. Crew, this is Jim Combs. He's a member up here at the Mebane Train Display like myself, and he just completed renovating our movie theater that looks just like it did years ago in historic downtown Mebane. And that crew is going to about wrap it up for our time up here at the Mebane Train Display for our annual 4th of July opening. We do this every year. They always do a community event out on the parking lot, so we had to park elsewhere and walk down this morning. But that's totally cool. Smiles and memories were made. As always, crew, it's always totally 100% free to attend the Mebane Train Display throughout the year. The only time we ever charge admission is for March for our annual train show to help us recoup some of the cost for, you know, renting tables and chairs to set up everything. And I hope that makes sense. But any other time we are open, you can go to mebanetraindisplay.com or check out our Facebook group. Just type in Mebane Train Display and it should pop up on the social medias. Any other time we are open is 100% totally free and family friendly. Again, the last time we were up here was in March of this year for the annual train show, but I just wanted to have a video up to celebrate America's 250th birthday, and what better way to do it than to hang out with some good friends in the model railroading community. But it is still early in the day at the time of this video's recording. I cannot wait to get back home, edit the video footage for you all, and hopefully get it uploaded on July 4th. So I got to do a lot of video editing when I get home, but I'm looking forward to spending a relaxing afternoon with my family, friends, and loved ones and throwing some burgers on the grill. Wherever you are in the big wide world we live in, I hope you all have a happy and safe 4th of July. And to all of my family, friends, followers, subscribers, and loved ones, I hope you all also have a happy and safe 4th of July 2026. And happy 250th birthday to America, the good old US of A. That's going to be about all for this one, crew. If you're new to the channel, hopefully you'll click that subscribe button and also follow me across all my social media feeds under the Artisan Pirate name. As always, links to contact me as well as all my social media feeds will always be linked down in the description box below these videos. That's about all for this one, crew. And remember, if I can make it or do it, so can you all. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Take care. God bless the USA. And I'll see you all real soon. Happy 4th of July, crew.